Hi Hans, my name is Mohammed Saeed Arshad and I am student of data science. Here I am going to present the exercise 5, which is about calculating test average and grade thing. So the requirement was to input 5 scores from the user and then use two functions, one to calculate the average and one to determine grades. So here is my code. I have defined two functions for average that inputs 5 scores, and then it uh, adds all those 5 numbers and divides by 5 and then return. This return commands sends the data back to the main program. So this is the first function, and here is the second function, determine grade. Requirement was this function should have a parameter as one score. So a parameter is sent into that function, and based on the score value it returns the grade. uh, to get the values from the user, I have used while loop. The reason of using this while loop is like I wanted the user uh, just to enter the score values, which is in between 0 to 100, like, and that's why 0 to 100, and there is no any other like alphabets or something like that. So this while loop, if the user enters any negative value or any other alphabets, it again asks user, like it prints some error statements, and then again ask the user to enter the valid input. So I have used this while and try except function just to get the proper validation from the user's input. So I have used the same code for 5 variables: score 1, score 2, score 3, score 4, and score 5. So uh, after this, after getting the input for these 5 scores, I am simply printing like score, the score which the user has input, and the grade. And to get this grade, I have used the function that I showed above. So the score which user enters goes to that function determine grade here, and based on the score it returns A, B, C, D, or F. So I have shown grades for all the scores, and then to calculate the function I have called calculate average function, and 5 scores, 5 variables are set as argument, and it goes to like this function. Average is calculated and data is sent back to the main function. So here it shows the average. So let's run it and see how it works. So says I sorry so so it enters that score 1. So what if I enter -40? So it says that values should be between 0 and 100. So yeah, this because I entered a negative value. And what if, and again it asks for the enter test score 1 because due to this while loop. So what if I enter any like letters ABC something, then it says it goes to the value error and it says invalid input, and again it asks user to enter the score 1. So I'm just going to enter the valid score like 90, and then 80, and then 70, and then 60, and then 50. So I have done that. So what happens? It shows me the score and then the grade based on this function here. Yeah, this grid 90A, 80B, 70C, 60D, and below 60F, and then it calculates the average, which is here. So let's run it again. I'm just going to clear the output. I'm running it again. So let's see, I am asking 60, 50, 40, 40, and 70. So here it comes like 60D and below 60F, and then for 70C, and then the average is 52. So this is the function 5. I hope this is okay, and I really enjoyed my working on this function, specifically this while loop thing and this if and except thing, like exception handling thing, because I haven't used that before, so it was quite interesting thing for me. So I hope this function fulfills that requirement. Thank you.